To this point, there isn't much difference between what we've done on our spreadsheet and what we could have done on a table in a word processor. We could have at this point just drawn up a table and entered this information in. This is now where it changes. We are going to start to use the spreadsheet to perform mathematical calculations as a business in the real world might do. Right now I have the items on here, I have the price per one, and I have how many I'm going to order in. I need a total cost now. As a business owner, I need to know how much is it going to cost me to order 7 flea combs in or to order 150 dog collars. I need to have that information. And so I'm going to use the spreadsheet now for what it's built to do, to calculate. When I want my spreadsheet to calculate for me, I always start with an equal sign. As soon as the spreadsheet sees that equal sign appear, it knows that we're going to do a calculation. So what I enter hereafter needs to be calculable numeric values. So what I want it to do is I want it to multiply. I want to multiply whatever is in B3. So I'm not going to type $1.99. I'm going to click in that cell, and it's telling me that it is going to take whatever is in B3. Now I said I want it to multiply. So Shift and the 8 key gives you that star. Or on your numeric keypad you'll have a star. So I want it to take whatever is in B3 and multiply it by whatever is in C3. When I press enter or return, it is going to show me what that calculates to be. $13.93. So I could look at that and I could say, you know what, I don't think 7's quite enough. I better order in 9 of those. When I press enter, because it references the cell numbers, it's going to recalculate. I press enter, it changes the total cost. So my dog collars, 150 of them. I'm going to start with an equal sign. The price of one times how many I'm ordering in. I press enter, and it gives me the number again. Now, a circumstance could present in the business world where the supplier contacts the store owner and says, we're reducing the price on those for a week. $1.79 each for those, this week only. The store owner can go and change that price in the spreadsheet without ever getting out a pencil, an eraser, or a calculator. Change that, changes the total cost. I can say at $1.79, I want 250 of them. I press enter, and it recalculates again my total cost because I am entering the cell references, not the numbers. So instead of typing $129.99 times 2, I'm saying take whatever is in B5, multiply it by whatever is in C5. And so I go equals the cost of 1 times the quantity equals the cost of 1 times the quantity equals the cost of 1 times the quantity. And so my formulas allow for the spreadsheet to do the calculation. If the price on these went up to $5.99.99, it would change my total cost. As long as I have these entered as a formula, anytime I change the variables contained within the formula, my spreadsheet will perform the calculations for me.